Alright, we're into the next day. Now we get to see Andrew today. He's the one that volunteered to put the wing on. So if he breaks it, it's on him.
$500 install fee.
That's not a bad in Lambo land. Alright. Put this thing up. Holy fucking dick, that's hot. Woo! I see why you didn't open it. So here we go. We got our wing. You ready to see if it's broken? It came from France with Julie.
Got faith.
Okay. Alright, we'll open this thing up and show you guys. GoPro don't got that much life on it. You can blame the wife. She didn't plug it in last night. Ain't that right?
I had no part in that.
She would deny anything. Andrew was nice enough to give me a blanket, but there she is. Now just to figure out how to pull this thing apart. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Yeah, pull this off. I guess he said pull the struts off. I'll pull this back panel off. Is getting completely replaced with the other panel. That's why I really like that kit. This is made by the same company that does all the 10/16 parts, and to be able to full bolt this on is what I really wanted. Certified Lamborghini technician, baby.
What'd you all get done?
We took a wing off. He supervised. But this shit's off. Now we're ready to put our turbo kit on. The wife doesn't know about that yet.
I'll kill you.
In the trunk of the Lexus.
Yeah. Just boom, turbo kit one day. Very soon.
You didn't even show them your...
I did, I showed him. Everyone had walked it over. Maybe we were paying attention. Pal, yo.
Give the shout out to Harbor Freight for the screwdriver chilling on the airbox.
Always a shout out to Harbor Freight. This is my whole toolbox.
That's what I'm saying.
Definitely. Not sponsored, by the way. Could be, but not.
Could be Cody.
Now I gotta assemble my wing here. I'm not really sure.
It's the easy part.
Where's the bolts?
In that bag underneath your t-shirt you're so excited about.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. That makes more sense.
I
thought it was just a t-shirt bag.
I don't know. If it is a t-shirt bag, then yeah, you don't got bolts.
What?
Is there anything screwed on the bottom of the mounting of the wing?
No. Is there anything in that box?
No.
You probably used the same bolts you just took off.
I don't have spares. Good news. They're inside the wing. Andrew was not right. So I got gaskets, I got bolts. Nothing stopping me now. Putting my wing on. Damn, it's the wrong side. Might as well not have music on. Fuck, I moved the gasket. Oh, ain't no way. I gotta put the brake light in. I probably should do that first.
Probably. Aren't you glad you have that sweet ass blanket?
Yeah. We're back to the Torques.
Well, guess what? You got them
Oh,
all.
there's a lot of other things I think we need to change.
You're inside that.
Very interesting. Now it just looks like a brake light, but there's like a secondary thing that like holds it. Like a Lamborghini on there? Hey, no, wait, what is this? What's that do? That was that thing that was unplugged. That looks like my brake light, but it's not. What else is it?
That's an antenna harness. Didn't you work at Car Toys? Weren't you the manager?
Times have changed.
No shit.
Knowledge has been lost.
No shit.
Damn.
What is that plug for? I don't know.
Well, apparently.
It's part of your GPS thing.
When'd you get an Audi?
I do not own an Audi.
The parts say different.
My parts over here all say Lamborghini on them. I got a Bull.
All
Can't
the
see
basic
anything.
metal pieces. Lamborghini's
Electronics?
very smart.
Thank you very much, Audi, for my car. Now, it's Dean my thing up. I put my pieces on here. Apparently it has a brake light, by the way. Very nice. I got to retain that. I would hope so. Now I got to put my mounting bracket on. Torque it to 300 foot-pounds.
There you have the torque wrench when you're ready.
Okay. My install is not going as planned.
We'll drill it out, make it work.
So apparently the holes aren't big enough for the bolts to mount the wing onto the deck foot. It's just forged carbon. No big deal. Might crack.
Just be glad you got me here. I ain't afraid to take a drill to your Lamborghini.
I'm afraid.
Alright, now it's like a father and his child.
Well, it fits. Now I don't have any bolts.
Like my right handle holding up to it.
Yeah, I was gonna say something, but I didn't.
I'm glad get work done right.
Yeah.
Oh, I give him full treatment around here.
Yeah. It's a nice one, dude.
So far, so good.
What
What do you think?
Is this a new? Is there an old one?
No, I don't know yet. I gotta see the full effect.
You don't know.
No, they came all.
What do you mean you don't know?
Took
I
off
gotta see the
all
full
of them,
effect.
And then the new one he went to put in, it's like a full go through it. So it's just.
I thought it was gonna be taller.
Yeah, it's not that tall.
I don't remember what they were like in TX2K, if that's normal height of a Performante wing or not, but
It is. The black ones look bigger up closer.
10 out of 10.
How that goes.
It's all about the angles.
7 out of 10.
Oh.
Had to modify a little bit, but we're getting there. Setting her on. Get out of here, I gotta record. It's all done?
Your brake light that's unplugged?
Indeed, I did forget to plug the brake light in. So now you see it all together. It's got to all come back apart because literally I had to pull it all the way back apart. But it's all back together. I got my spoiler on. Living a good life.
That's pretty good.
So I got to pull it back apart. Pretty happy about that. That's going to wrap that up. I'll show you a little bit better view of this a little later. It's starting to rain because that seems to be what this car is, the rain maker. Every time I drive it, it rains. Damn, I can't believe I forgot the brake light.
You got excited. You got the name. It happens.
He's gonna kill it. He just wants to start it.
I know.
It's loud.
It's not as loud as I was thinking. I heard it from Cooper.
Alright, I gotta end this video out. Of course, we got Ricky and Josh, which Ricky's car is almost done
Yes,
here.
almost.
Almost done.
Monday.
I don't know if they're gonna see the Honda tuning video yet. I think this is gonna go out before, but you're gonna see Ricky's car. And Josh, he's being Josh. Joshing it up. So, we're at a car meet, Boosted Coffee. Here we are. Car's all finished up. I am really happy of how it turned out. New wheels, new forged carbon wing, new banner. Got some other parts on the way, which the wife is not happy about, but that's just how
See
that
the car
goes.
next to it though?
Huh.
My car.
Are you ready to go roller racing?
Yeah.
Because you haven't gone racing in a while, so
Years.
if you blow up Gray, it's coming out of your pocket, not mine.
Been for.
Nah, she's been a trooper. So you might see some more content on Gray. It says it's been quite a while. This thing's been all reliable, but I think she might go on some E85, so some roll racing. We'll take this out to go roll racing. We'll see how things go. They said they don't quite have enough people right now, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We'll have some more Lamborghini content here in the near future. I have some other parts that are coming in for this scene, so hopefully you guys can enjoy this and adapt to this kind of content. And if you don't, I guess you don't. Till next time.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living